Disability rights as a civil right is still very new in this country. And disability is such a unique component of diversity. It's an issue of equal opportunity and equal access. I'm legally blind, and I've wanted to be a lawyer virtually my entire life. For decades, it was universally understood that the LSAT was completely inaccessible for the blind. Not because they're not talented, not because they're not capable, not because they wouldn't make great lawyers, but because they couldn't draw pictures. Because 1/4 of this exam asks them to do something that they physically can't do. But somehow that's how we were deciding who would get to go to law school in America. When I left Northwestern, I joined as co-counsel in a case already ongoing involving trying to create access for folks who are blind to be able to take the LSAT. It's one thing to settle a case for one individual. When your client says, I want to change the rules of the game for everybody, it's so much harder, but it's so much more worthwhile. In October of 2019, I settled a case that will change the way that blind people are tested in law school admissions nationwide. My practice is devoted 100% to representing people with disabilities. And we represent thousands of disabled individuals every year. This is a very young body of law. Making sure that people with disabilities are part of the equation, making sure that they're not left behind, lawyers are going to play a central role in making sure that that happens.